Hello everyone, my name is Anangsha Alamyan and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss what are the steps you can take to make sure your articles get curated on Medium. So before we start, first let's discuss what is the meaning of curation. Well, Medium has a very active group of curators or editors who read each and every article that's published on Medium. If they like one article, they are going to curate it, by which it means that they are going to distribute that article to a wide number of audience who follow a particular topic. Like if you are new on Medium, you might have gotten an email from Medium Writers Program that say that we like this article, our curators have selected it for distribution in the topics say self or books or reading, whatever topic that might be. Basically, it means that your article is going to appear in the feed of any person who follows that particular topic. Now, curation can happen in one topic, or I have seen my articles being curated in 4 topics as well. So, I don't know if there can be curation in more than 4 topics, but obviously, this is obvious that the more number of topics your article is curated in, the better it's going to perform, the more audience it's going to get, and obviously the more money it's going to earn. So what is it that makes curators sit up and take notice of an article? So this video is going to be all about discussing that, what it takes to make sure your articles get curated. And before we proceed, let me make it clear that I am not an expert. I have been writing consistently on Medium for the past 1.5 months, and over this 45 or 50 days, I have a curation rate of 65 or 66%. That means of all the articles I write, 65% get curated. I think that's a pretty good standard considering the time that I have been active. So I'm going to share everything that I know, and I hope you find this video helpful. The first and most obvious tip is that you have to write for the reader. As a writer, you cannot write an article for yourself. You cannot treat Medium like your diary or your journal where you're going to write down all the life realizations you had. You have to write for the reader, which means that your article has to do either of these 3 things. It has to either educate the reader, or it has to inspire them to do something or be a better version of themselves. Or if you're writing fiction or poetry, then your article has to provide an escape for the reader so that it gives them an escape from reality, some form of entertainment. So if your article does one of these 3 things, it's definitely written for the reader. And apart from that, your article has to have a key takeaway. A key takeaway means that when the reader finishes the article, they have to leave with some emotion in their mind. Obviously, it's good if they have a positive emotion or they feel like that they have learned something. Once they close your article, there should be some form of inspiration, some spark in the mind of the reader. When you write your articles in this format, definitely the curators are going to sit up and take notice, and they are going to distribute your articles. The next is you need to format your articles properly. The first thing that comes to mind when you talk about formatting is the title. Now your title has to be such that it makes the reader want to click on it. It's like if your title is good, 50% of the battle is won. Now one tip for writing catchy titles is that the title should convey exactly what the reader can expect to gain by reading your article. In other words, it should give them a reason to make them want to read the article. Now if you title your article something abstract like Sunday Morning Musings, I mean, why would anyone want to read an article called Sunday Morning Musings, right? But if you title it in some great way like this one lesson I learned that absolutely changed my mind, people are going to get curious that what is that one lesson that changed your mind, and is it possible that they can apply it to their lives? So your title should generate curiosity, it should make them want to click it, but then again, it should not be clickbait. Clickbait as in, Your article should deliver on exactly what the title promised. Next thing is, your title should be in title case. Title case means all the major words are capitalized. The first letter of each major word is capitalized. A very useful tool that I use is called titlecaseconverter.com. I'm going to link it in the description. So you can just select your title, copy it and paste it at the website, and they are automatically going to convert your title to the title case. The next thing is, the article needs to have a lot of blank space in between. Now no reader wants to keep on reading if the first thing they notice when they click on your article is a huge chunk of text. You have to format your article properly. You have to give paragraph breaks and line breaks in the proper places so that it looks very friendly to the reader's eye and they are not discouraged and they actually want to keep on reading. Apart from that, you can add headings and subheadings in between. Medium makes it very easy to add headings and subheadings. I've already covered the formatting tips in another article. Even that I'm going to link in the description, so you can check that out if you're looking for some formatting tips. Apart from these, of course, you need to add proper and relevant tags that are there in your article. When you add proper tags, the curators who look for articles in those particular tags are going to read your article. And if they find some value, they're definitely going to curate it. So that brings us to the end of this video. These are all the tips that I know and I personally use to make sure that my articles get curated. I hope you found them helpful, and I have already made a lot of videos discussing how to make money on Medium and how to earn money from Medium if you live in India. You can check out all the other videos in my channel if you're looking for tips on how to get started on Medium. And if you have any more questions or if you have any suggestions about what topics I should make my future videos in, please let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate any help that you can provide. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.